Auckland Summer of Sailing with Brodie Kane.
Boy oh boy, there are so many epic places to watch the sailing. I mean, oh, fancy seeing you here! I'm going to give you some tips and tricks of places to go to watch the boys. Alright, a great place to watch the action in the village is a place that serves champagne. Champagne plus sailing equals success. Let's go into the Moomba. Cheers, Remy.
Cheers, lovely.
To champagne and sailing. So Cheltenham Beach and Narrow Neck are really good for course B. Just up the road, Takapuna and Milford are really good for course A. Ice cream's good for anything. And look, if it's a ridiculously cold beer you're after, and one of the best chicken nibbles known to mankind, Wynyard Pavilion is the place to go to watch the sailing. There's actual like sailing people behind, and sometimes sailors come here. I mean, I'm not a groupie or anything, but right, for courses C and D, pretty much anywhere along Tamaki Drive is a good shout. You can also actually head back over to North Head, very good views as we've already seen. Course D is particularly strong over at St Heliers. If you need to get to course E, maraetai.